In response to the video, how to vacuum your pool, why can't you leave air in the vacuuming hose when you go to vacuum?
You'll kill your prime just of your system. I mean, if you're working with an above ground pool, then you're just going to kill your prime and you're not going to be able to move any water. Since the way the system works is you're not going to have any suction. If it's a self-priming pump, if you have any air left in your vacuum hose, there's your pump might be able to reprime itself if the air pocket's small enough. But if it's too big, then what happens is it sucks it back to the system and it kills the prime. And if you just keep running your pump until it reprimes, if it takes a while, you could burn a seal, or your motor could run too hot and cause other issues. So having some air, yeah, it happens as long as your pump reprimes, within 5-10 seconds after you hook up the vac hose. But if your pump is struggling to reprime itself, then you have too much air in and you kind of got to start over.